What is going on, guys? This is a follow-up to my very secure password program video, my Python project idea. I totally forgot to show how the code works in the video. My admin password program. Here's the code. It's called generate color. Here's the code. You have to install Sty. To install Sty, you type pip install Sty. Then you press enter, but I already installed it though. Look at the code. If you didn't already know, my password program idea you could do takes into account the color of your password text. You need the RGB values to log in along with your password. We also wanted to have different color for each letter, and you need the RGB values for each letter for more security. It'll ask you at the login page if you to type your password down, and it'll ask for your RGB values, basically RGB color values. To top it off, it's also going to require tokens. You need your tokens to log in. Basically. A token looks like this. We're planning on having 3 tokens. For each user, you need your 3 tokens to log in as well. You could store your tokens somewhere, copy and paste them when it's time. When it asks you when it asks you for your tokens, when it's time to log in, you'll copy and paste your tokens. You'll have to store your tokens somewhere, maybe on your computer or something. Let's see what this does. I put this code down here to get you started. Alright guys, that's good enough. I showed you how it works. Showed you how it worked. Just in case you guys were confused on what the program does. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed.